Good evening, students. Now, as I told you before also, that we have almost come to the end of the second chapter. Our last topic which was going on, that was regarding the measurements of length, mass already have been done. It's with you. I hope you might have prepared the notes of it also. And today we are concluding it with the measurement of time. Look, it is the measurement of time. So in today's discussion we shall discuss the measurement of time. With that it will be completed. Mind this, there are so many techniques. I am just telling you these techniques in very short, in very brief, because these are very advanced level things and we don't have to do at this moment. As the time comes, the respective chapters come, we shall discuss about these topics. But at this moment, we are not very much concerned for the detailed discussion of it. Okay, how the time measurement is made or measurements are made? First is with the help of the electric oscillator. Electric oscillator means in India, we have the AC generator in which the coil rotates. And I think you must be knowing that the coil rotates with the frequency of 50 Hertz. I think you all are familiar with the term Hertz. Hertz means per second. Okay. In 1 second, 50 revolutions the coil make. Right. So, just by making this calculation that in 1 second, 50 revolutions it is making, then just counting the number of the revolutions, we can measure the time. By counting the number of revolutions, we can measure the time. Would you follow me? So, this technique is called the technique of the electric oscillator, which is mainly used in the AC generators. Alright. Second technique, this is the electronic oscillator. In electronic oscillator, actually the time is measured with the help of a device called transistor. We shall discuss it in our class 12 syllabus. So, transistor is a device, the help of which the time can be measured. That technique is called the measurement by electronic oscillator. After that, we are coming to quartz clock. I hope you know that quartz is a crystal, is a particular type of crystal, very much used in many points. Okay, and suppose there is a quartz crystal and a potential difference is applied, alternating potential difference. If an alternating potential difference is applied across its ends, if an potential difference means fluctuating potential difference, alternating potential difference, a fluctuating potential difference is applied across its ends, then what happens? It oscillates. Okay, it oscillates with a certain time period and frequency. With the help of that time period and frequency, the time can be measured. Right? So, this theory, the phenomenon which is there, in which we have said that alternating potential difference is applied and it oscillates, that technique, actually it is called piezoelectric method. So with the help of the piezoelectric method, alright, the quartz clock is designed, and with the help of the quartz clock also the time measurement can be done. Then we are coming to the atomic clock. You can read NCERT. In NCERT very much it is given regarding atomic clock. Atomic clock has a very high order of accuracy. It is based on the oscillation of the atoms, especially the cesium atom. Especially the cesium atom, cesium. Chemical symbol is cesium. With the help of the cesium atoms, right, oscillation of cesium atom, on the basis of that, the atomic clock has been made. In the year 1964, there is, NPL, that is for National Physical Laboratory in New Delhi. The first atomic clock was installed in India, right, in the year 1964 in the National Physical Laboratory. In National Physical Laboratory it has been installed. And with the help of this, I think all of you are aware of this, IST, Indian Standard Time, is measured with the help of this. To get some more knowledge, you can once see NCRT. In the NCRT, you will get it. And lastly, this technique, it is a radioactive dating. Radioactive dating is used with the help of the radioactive samples. Radioactive dating is a technique by which we can find out the age of rocks and fossils. Obviously, age of rock and fossils are very, very large. You can say hundreds of years, thousands of years. That is done. That is found out with the help of the radioactive dating. So radioactive dating is a technique to find out the age of the rocks and fossils. So I hope these are some important techniques. As I told you, you don't have to go in too much of detail. As I told you, you can take the help of any reference book. Small bit you will get in NCRT also. And with the help of that, you can prepare the notes. With this, we are completing the second chapter. Alright, first chapter was the physical world, second chapter was the measurements we have completed. I am giving you one assignment. Students, you will once by your own go through significant figures. It is there in our syllabus, but I have not done it because there are some rules in NCRT. You will see that how to find out the significant figures in a number. If it is involved with the decimals or not, whatever it is, how to find out the number of the significant figures. Actually, it is in chemistry also. That's why I am not repeating it here. I am giving it to you as an assignment. It is not at all difficult. It is given very much in NCRT. There are few rules. Once you will go through it, if there is any doubt, you can ask me. So, with this, our second chapter, that is the chapter on this measurement, is over. Complete it is. Moreover, I think you remember I have given you an assignment also. I hope you might have started it, doing those assignments. Please do those assignments also. Right? In case of any difficulty, you can ask me. Those are the collections of those assignments. Are the two assignments I have sent you. Those are the collections of some important questions. Okay.